Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this automatic Honda CR-V. So this vehicle has a lovely panoramic glass roof, there's 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, both front and rear parking sensors with colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's leather interior with heated front seats. The touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's using our click and collect service, our home delivery service, or just arranging an appointment to come and view the vehicle. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.